Model, 2007 Peugeot partner BERLINGO HDI 90 Escapade factory fitted crew cab MOTED grin. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 193,888. MOT, the 16th of October 2024. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 ATED4, E4. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash, starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, part service history, EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.